Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. So all you have to do, you just click on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just click on your name. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here, just keep going down and you click here on account settings. When you click on account settings, it's going to take you to this list. Just waiting to open with you. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on visibility here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down, just keep going down here and you come here to the profile discovery using email address. You click on it. So then here can you select in this list who can discover your profile or contact with your if they have your email address. Here can you select. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.